It has been a long week. This is day 2 of my Scrunchie studio slash warehouse setup. I have completed the 2 cube storage bins. So now I'm about to try to do some sort of layout because I think I want to change the layout that I originally drew on my blueprint or schematics, whatever you'd like to call it. So this video is me trying to set up the flow or the layout of everything, and maybe the next video will be me stocking things. I'm not sure, but hey, stay tuned to see how it goes so you can see the end result. So, see you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG & Co., also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the Scrunchie creator, Lamiel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. In today's video, this is the second day of me getting my Scrunchie warehouse organized, so I'm just going to pop on my headphones and try to see what I can do as far as laying out my bins and my shelves. So my goal is to have a ship station. Right now I cut my fabric in the house, so the good thing about this space that I'm using is that it's expandable, meaning, expandable. If I need to take up more space on this side, I can do so, but I'm trying to take up as less or the least amount of space that I can take up because my husband still works out in this room as well. So I'm just trying to get a little section, but as I grow, I can kind of shift him to another side of the room. So I'm going to set up my storage bins or my cube bins. I want a ship station. I need a shelf for my jewelry and headbands that I'm going to do. And eventually I want to do apparel and some other items, but I'm just going to see how I can shift and move things around, trying to see. So I have my blueprint here, my hand sketched blueprint, so that I can see where I'm going to put things. So hopefully this will work out and won't take too long to get done. So I'm going to go ahead, put on my headphones, listen to some music, and get to moving. scrunchies all along this wall. This little short shelf, as of right now, will be my packing area where I have my packing supplies. I wanted it right here so I could put a table right here, but it's okay. And I'll have my jewelry and headband accessories on this shelf. So now I'm going to move to the other side. Not sure how long this layout will stay this way because I have some other ideas, but I'm going to move on to the other side and start working on my office area where I will sew and do my YouTube videos. So I'm going to turn the camera around to that side now. So here's the side where I want my office area to be. I have some things in this corner that I need to move. I may just leave the inversion table over there because it's not really in the way. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started, get my music going again, and start moving stuff.